Good day everyone, especially to Sir Mark Anthony G. Mayana. I am Abigail Eudesus from Bali 2-1. So what is the history of my name, middle name, and my surname? So the history of my name is, my mom said that nung nagpa-check up po siya sa doctor niya nung pinagbubuntis niya ako, is nakita niya yung name na Abigail sa libro ni Dr. San Juan. So, parang naging suggested name na rin siya. And, yan, napag-decidean niya na Abigail na yung ipapangalan niya sa akin. And, Umagat, may middle name na Umagat. And, ito po is nakuha sa middle name ng mother ko. When I was a child po kasi, my father passed away. I am 1 year old and nung time na inaayos ng mother ko yung birth certificate ko is parang namatay na yung father ko, so hindi na napirmahan, kaya my mom decided na yung Umagat na middle name na lang yung inilagay niya for me. And De Jesus po is my mom's surname dahil patay na din yung father ko. So, napag-decide niya na ayun na lang yung i-apelido sa akin, De Jesus. So, you can call me Abby. I am second year from the course of Bachelor of Arts in Literature from Bali 2-1 and I live in Mabini, Santo Domingo, Nueva Ecija. So, let's talk about naman why I enrolled this course, ballet. I took the ballet course because I was inspired by senior high school teachers at 21st century and I wanted to improve my writing skills, my reading skills, and this is one of the things my mom, my relatives wanted because they said this program was good and there were I would learn a lot and improves a lot. So I took the opportunity and to take ballet. I will still want to know about history or what we will discuss siguro, and I have fallen in love with this course also kasi sobrang daming matututunan. Sabi ko nga noon, parang I don't want to take ballet kasi sobrang hirap, parang ang hirap ng program na to. Pero habang tumatagal, sabi nga nila, mamahalin mo yung course mo. Siguro, for this year, parang minamahal ko na siya. So, my hobby is, I love dancing. Minsan, I love singing. And one of the things that I love, when I'm joining a pageant, minsan. So, ayun. Ano ba yung personal goal ko? Siguro may personal goal ko is this year is sana makapasa ako. Matapos ko yung second year, more years. Matapos ko yung second year, third year, and fourth year dito sa CLSU. Because I want to be successful one day. I want to be a good writer. If di man papalarin, siguro mag-stick na lang ako, magmamasteral for what the job that I want to pursue. I want to be a good teacher someday. So, parang mas pagbubutihan ko pa ngayon para maabot ko yung mga pangarap na gusto ko. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye!